Hello everyone, this is Market Formula. We'll be looking at the All Share Index of the Nigerian stock market. The All Share Index is on an uptrend. The momentum is also up. Price is currently at a support. And last week, the market closed bullish. The bulls are strong enough to engulf last week bullish candle. So let me zoom into the chart and show you what I'm trying to explain. Last week we had a bullish candle without a body, or an indecision candle, and this week closed bullish, and the bull is big enough to engulf the last week candle. So combining this and this together, these are two bullish candles. For these 2 weeks, we are going to have a bullish candle. So 1 week of down, 2 weeks of bullish candle, which is big enough, like is as big as previous week. So what do we expect? At this key level in the market, this is actually a resistance. That means market broke out of this consolidation zone, broke out, came back for a retest, and this is now forming a support, a resistance that has been turned support. So what do we expect? This is just a pattern called a break and a retest. The market broke out of that range, something like this, came out of it, came for a retest, and we expect something like this. But looking at the market, the way I'm seeing this market, I'm seeing it as if the market is somehow tired. Why do I say so? This range is actually forming below the midpoint, this midpoint that I've drawn here. So it's struggling below the midpoint. So going forward, I do not really expect that the market will have enough momentum to push and touch the upper channel. But let's see how the market unfold. This week is a good one for the market, and next week most probably the market is going to close bullish.